Hi everyone. Today in this video, I'll show how we can create the GitHub account. Okay. So first you have to come to the github.com and then you have to click on your email ID. So I'll put my email ID. Then we have to click on the sign up for GitHub. Okay. It will ask us the password. So we can provide the password. Okay. And then we have to select the username. So username should be unique. So let me try with my channel name only and then see. Okay, it is available. Then country code and then we have to select like receive occasional product updates and announcement. So it's totally up to you. So you can select or unselect it. And then if we have to click on the create the account. So it will verify the account and then we have to provide the OTP. So I'll provide the OTP here. Let me check if I have received the OTP. Yeah, I have got the OTP here. So I'll copy this OTP and then I'll paste here. After that, we have to click on the continue. So here you can see it says your account was created successfully. Please sign in to continue. So I'll put my email here or we can use the username as well. So better to use username and then password and then click on signing and then we are in the uh, GitHub page. So it's here it's asking complete your profile. So that you can do by clicking on this and then update profile name, then social account, everything you can fill and then you can create. Another was that it was asking for create your first repository. So first repo you can create. Just I'll say test. Later we can delete also, and then description we can put. This is just for testing. Visibility, public, private, whatever you want, you can select, and then you can create the repository. And here are our first repo and that we have created. So these are the things for creating the GitHub account. You can create the project under this. Okay, so many things you can do inside this. So I'll create one separate video on the GitHub. So we will see all the things there. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We'll connect in some another video. Bye bye.